Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have another problems that you might see a lot in exams. And this type of problem is kind of like taking more time than it should. So today I will try not only to solve it, but also get you familiar with all the options that we have to know which one is right and which one is wrong. So if you see also any one of these options, you will be having knowledge on what is the right answer and what is the wrong answer of it. Okay, so let's get started. The problem say which of the following statement is false for all the non-circular ellipses. Okay, for the first option, they say that the eccentricity, which is E, is less than 1. And yes, for the non-circular ellipses, E is supposed to be bigger than 0 and less than 1. Okay, so this one is right. And also, just also for your knowledge, when E equal to 0, that is a circle. Okay, when E is equal to 0 is a circle. So that's maybe also another question that you might see in exams. Okay, B, the ellipse has 2 foci. Yes, every ellipse has 2 foci. If any ellipse doesn't have 2 foci, that's probably gonna be a circle or a straight line at that point. But every ellipse exists, it is having 2 foci. So this one is good also. See, sum of the two distances from the 2 foci for any point on the ellipse is 2a. I can make you visualize that by that's a, that's negative a, that's negative a, that's b, negative b. There's the line of the ellipse. Let's say that's c, that is negative c. Let's say these two distances, that's L1, that's L2. On this point, if you add L1 plus L2, it is actually gonna get you 2a, and that is what the question is asking for. Okay, so any point, if here's this point and you do the same thing here, this two lenses is gonna be equal to a. Okay. Okay, so last one, which is the one that I feel is kind of tricky, but if you're in an exam, like that's what I'm gonna do. If I'm in an exam and the time is really important for me, if I see this two, if this 3 is right, the last one is gonna be the fourth one. But in the sake of the video, I want you also to understand the next one, because it's the hardest point of it. Okay, so the coefficient a and c preceding the x squared plus y squared terms in the general form of the equation are equal. Okay, so for solving this problem, I like to do the second degree conic equation, which is ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. Okay, for the circle, if that is a circle, a equal to c, a and c is going to be equal, and b will be equal to 0. Okay, that's only for the circle. But for the non-circular ellipse, a not equal to c. Okay, a will not be equal to c. Okay, but both of them will be having the same sign. Okay, but a will never be equal to c in a non-circular ellipse. Okay, so this one is the wrong. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please subscribe also to the channel to see more videos like that, solving the problems and get you familiar with the problems that you're gonna see in exams. And have a good day.